Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of transformation: a dramatic or complete change in appearance or form. For example, its landscape has undergone a radical transformation. American pronunciation: transformation. Transformation. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Transformation. Say, transformation. Transformation means thorough or dramatic change in form or appearance. Transformation. Transformation. Transformation origin: Late Middle English is derived from Old French or Late Latin transformation. See transformer. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Changes in your appearance reflect major transformations occurring within. Now, repeat after me. Changes in your appearance reflect major transformations occurring within. The second practice. He laughs at these great transformations of nature by nature. Now, repeat after me. He laughs at these great transformations of nature by nature. Visual representation of transformation. Transformation means a dramatic or complete change in appearance or form.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.